Hello friends, today we are going to see operators in RxJs. Operators are nothing but functions. So it is analogous to load-as functions and JavaScript inbuilt functions. For example, you can see map, filters. So these are normal JavaScript functions, JavaScript inbuilt functions, and we have similar functions in load-as library also. So in the code we will use these functions to do some operations over the value. Similarly, in RxJs we have operators. Using these operators we can do some operations over observable is going to emit some values. We will do some operation over the values emitted by the observable. So today we will see these operators in RxJs. So we have two types of operators. So first one is pipeable operator. Then second one is creation operators. So for pipeable operators, input is observable and it will emit another observable. So output is also another observables, and it is a pure function. So it is a pure function. That means it will not modify the input value. It will not modify the input values, and it has name pipe. That means operators can be chained together. So I will explain what is the chaining in the demo. Now we have creation operators. So creation operators means it is standalone functions. It is standalone function. So what it will do, as the name suggests, this creation operators will create observables. So it will create observables. So first we will see what is pipe operators. So now we will see piping. So piping, you can imagine every function as a box. So this is function 1 and this is function 2 and this is function 3. So now what you want to do is like you want to give some input value to function 1, and function 1 will do some operation value over this input value, and it will send the output to the second function, and this second function will take the input value from function 1, output value from function 1, and it will send it to the function 3 as a input value. Then function 3 is going to send another value. So this is piping. To do this operation we have pipe operators. So in RxJs what we will do is, like, we have pipe operators. Inside the pipe operator we can place many other operators like map, filter, everything. So for example we can place map operator and filter operator. So what it will do, so this will be one observable. So from observable we will get a series of values. Add filter like number greater than 4. Okay, so what it will do is like for every value it will multiply by 2. So 1 into 2 2, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6. Then it will do filter operation. So what it will do, it will check what are the numbers greater than 4. Only one number is greater than 4, so it will return value as 6. So this is pipe operators. This functionality is called piping. Now we will see creational operators. So creational operators. So as we discussed, creational operator will create another observable. So there are many operators, for example of, from, and from event. So we will see everything detailed in another video. Just I will give introduction about this creational operators. So inside of we can pass any value like 1, 2, 3. Whatever we send, it will convert it into a observable. Then it will return a observable. Maybe num dollar. Okay. So to all the observables, we will suffix it with dollar symbol. So developers can easily understand what all the variables are observables and what are other variables normal variables. So we have observable in our hand. So observable name is num dollar symbol. So with the observable we can subscribe to it. Subscribe. So inside subscribe we have to pass our subscriber. Here we can give arrow function. It can be any value and we can print it. Okay. So if you run this code, you will get 1, 2, 3 as console values. Okay. So ignore this drawings. It is difficult. Okay, we'll go to the next topic. Now we will see higher order observables. So higher order observables. When an observable emits another observable, it is called higher order observables. You can maybe you can recall higher order functions in JavaScript. So it is the ability of JavaScript function to return another function. In the same words, it is like one observable emits another observable. So this is called higher order observable. So usually observable will send normal values. For example, of is a creation operator. Inside this operator I am sending normal values like 1, 2, 3. So it will emit normal values only like 1, 2, 3. Observable 1. This observable 1 will emit observable 2. And this observable 2 may emit observable 3. So in these cases, you have to subscribe first observable 1 and you will get some value, and this value is also a observable. Again you have to apply another subscription. You have to subscribe the second observable. Again it is going to emit another observable and you have to subscribe it again. So this is nested subscription and code will not be readable and it creates more complexity. So to avoid this, we have to do some flattening kind of operations. So flattening means converting higher order observable to ordinary observable. So the examples of flattening are merge map, concat. So we have many flattening operators, like it will convert higher order observables to ordinary observables. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும்னு நம்புகிறேன். உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.